Hello, today I will guide you on how to mirror your phone on a Windows PC. Step 1, install the Connect app wireless display. Open the Settings application from the Start menu or search bar. Navigate to System, then scroll down and select Optional Features. Click View Features, search for Wireless Display. Search for Wireless Display, select it, and proceed with installation. Once finished, close the settings window. Step 2, configure projection settings on Windows. Search for projection settings in Windows Search. In projecting to this PC, adjust the following. Set some Windows and Android devices to available everywhere or available on secure networks. Set Ask to project to every time a connection is requested. Set Require PIN for pairing to never or other option. After completes, open the Wireless Display app from the Start menu. Step 3, connect your Android device. Ensure both PC and Android are on the same Wi-Fi network. On Android, open screen mirroring feature, e.g. Cast Mirror Share. Select your PC's name from the available device list. Your Android screen will now appear on the Windows 11 screen. Step 4, disconnect the Android device. Go to the screencasting settings again on your Android device. Tap on your PC name, then choose Disconnect or Forget. The mirroring session will end immediately. That's how to wirelessly mirror your Android screen to a Windows 11 PC using the Connect app. We hope this was helpful. See you next time.